Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So in this particular video, I want to talk about a high-flying stock, which has the ticker symbol of PIK. You can see that it ran almost 27% today, and even after hours, another 26%. So in total, more than 50% run up in one particular day. And thank you so much for my Discord members who talked about this particular stock because they brought this to our attention pretty early in the morning, not the morning, like I should say, like afternoon. At the same time, I found this thing is also running after hours. So many people already made some money scalping and making money. So anyway, I just want to make a video on the technicals mainly and why it went up. And if you want to make money on this one tomorrow, then what you should be looking at. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to like this particular video, subscribe my channel, at the same time join my community. Yesterday I talked about two ticker symbol ACCD and TSRI, did excellent. Like both of them, the TSRI like was like almost 36% up, ACCD another 25% up, ISIG 18% up, and so on, right? Anyway, so if you like this kind of chart based setup, like if you want to get alert for different ticker symbol based on the chart, catalyst and everything, join my community. We have some nice members. They bring good plays, good news, and we are making money almost each and every day. Give a try, just a few bucks a month. So okay, let's talk about PIC. So this is the chart, right? This is the chart. Look at the chart today, how this is looking, right? This is the daily chart today. So I will talk more about the chart. I will come back, but before that, let's look at few other things before we talk about the chart. So one of the good thing I like, the short float, only 1.12 million. So when something has a very short float, this thing can run really fast. And why this is so important? Because the average volume traded for this particular stock only 1.1 million, so below the float, right? And today's volume was 19.8 million, almost 15-16 times more volume. So if you have 5 apple and there are 20 people, they're just buying your apples from one person to another person, it makes sense to buy at a higher price because you are asking for $5, there is more demand, so some other people will buy at $5. Then you will say, okay, I'm gonna sell it 7, then another people will say 7. So more demand, more buyers, this thing explode, and it makes sense completely. Look at the day by day volume. Nothing is happening suddenly today. Ooh, big volume, 20.9 million it is showing here, right? Because after hour we know this thing moved. So let's look at after hour trading. Just want to show you in terms of the change, 26%, the volume is 5.2 million, right? So pretty nice. Okay, the market cap is also not huge, 46.1 million. In terms of shorting, it is showing me currently no shares are available to short, and the cost to borrow fee rate is only 4.5%. Okay, let's go back to the chart now. So PIK, this is the chart today, right? This is the chart today. I'm gonna go back to hourly chart. Just want to show you what is happening, right? So it was here, right? $10 came down, found the floor around 5.7, went back to 8.1, came down all the way to 4.55. Then today the fund started moving. And why it was moving? Because of the catalyst, right? Where is it? No, just the volume. No catalyst. I thought the earning came today, but no, it's not the news from today. So let's go back to the chart. Okay, so few hours, so 1 hour candle, boom, right? So most of us did some trades, so you can see so many lines here because it was moving and we were trading. So definitely when it was moving, we were looking at some resistance here. So I'm gonna just let's make a clean copy. Why make complicated? So okay, so even after hour this thing was moving. So on a daily basis, I want to draw some lines first of all. So let's draw some line, just looking at the levels here. I think this is one level, 7.17. Definitely we have a top. This top is 8.2, and if it is coming down, maybe at something around this area. There is no clear things, but anyway, around $6, 7.17, then we have 8.27, and what we have on top, there is a top of around 10.22. Now this thing can run, we do not know, but let's go to a lower frame now. Let's see how it moved. Okay, so it had a nice run up. It hit 7.17, came down, found a floor at 6. So after hour it was around $6. Again, nice volume came. This thing pushed. It was hitting the resistance for some time at 7.2, broke, went to 8.1, tried few times for last 15-20 minutes, couldn't break, came down, and again trying to go back up. So if I look here, I see 8.1, and if I look Yahoo, it is showing me 7.65, meaning that it came down even more. So I will go back here because TradingView doesn't show me anything. But I think one of the important thing is if it goes back to 7.17, I think this is a good area to add. If you don't think 7.17, maybe I will just add one more area, which is right around 7.4. You see it bounce from 7.4, some kind of resistance. It makes perfect sense. So 7.4 or 7.2, this is the entry. Always use a stop loss. On the other hand, if it can break 8.1, it can go towards $9, $10, who knows. It moved almost double today from $4 all the way to $8. Okay, so let's go back to Yahoo because my trading view does not show last 1 hour of after hours. Weird, I don't know, but let's have a Yahoo thing because I love Yahoo as well. Okay, so again, this is the floor 7.4, you can see here, and this is the top around 8.1. So this thing has been moving. So one of the quick trade could be between 7.4 and 8.14. Get in at 7.4, have a stop loss around 7.3, 7.2, depending on your loss acceptance tolerance, right? It's up to you. So even for this one, it can be a nice trade. And if it can really break 8.14, 8.2, this thing can really move. So for pre-market, look at those levels, 7.4, 8.1, and we also had some levels from here, right? 7.2. I don't know about $6. It all depends on pre-market volume. That is why it is important to connect with a community so that you can ask about the stock. You can get the pre-market alert. In this video I'm talking now, maybe I'll just talk sometime else, but if you are part of my community or some other community or even on Twitter, you can always ask them. So trade within a community. It is more fun. You have more people, there being more plays. So as a community, you can go. And when you are trading alone, if you are not sure about what to do, you don't have any help, right? So once you are in a community, you can always seek for help for other member. So that is why I really find trading with a community. My community, $9 per month. For VIP, more access, direct messaging, everything, $25 per month. Join. If not here, you can go to my YouTube community, go to my Twitter, or just have a community. That's the only thing I want to say. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Like this video, subscribe my channel, and join my community, and let's make some money. Take care and peace.